Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. It's a behind the scenes look at what it takes to go out there for a couple hours and search. So what I've done today is not only added the transducer adapter there so I can flip it down into the water, which is actually a trolling motor adapter, is adapting this so I actually have a platform to stand on when I'm sliding the boat out or sliding the boat back in. Trying to balance myself on that tongue just isn't right. Also, I don't have a tire carrier, spare tire carrier on here. So I had these pieces built up because I was using them as a ramp. Scissor lift, car scissor lift, using it as a ramp. And I said, well, I got a better purpose for it. So what I'm doing is adapting it to here, and then I can actually put the tire, set the tire on there and lock it on there, so I got a spare tire in case, you know, something happens. Usually you can buy one, but it's going to cost you $100 just to put a tire carrier on the side here. So I'm doing dual purpose here, making it so I can walk out on there without freaking sliding off that tongue when I'm trying to get the boat back on here, or get the boat off, one or the other. So that's taking up a little bit of my time here. Got that, and then it's bolted underneath here. I've got to get another bolt with a little longer bolt here, so when this sits on that, let me show you what we got. So that'll sit right on there like that, and then I need another. I got holes drilled so I can get a bolt that'll come right up through here, and I can lock it down. Run out of toggle bolts here to do that, but anyway, that's where I'm at. All right, we're back. I went to Tractor Supply and got me a 10-inch carriage bolt and a 6, I think this is 5-inch carriage bolt. I finish what I'm doing here. This is going to come up high enough so I can put that spare tire on it, like I told you, remember? So I had to round these out a little bit further. So let's see, we're going to round it down and flatten it out. Come up. So we're going to come up through like so. I'm going to start a wire or nut on here, just so I can start it. Drop down. Now this one's going to go down through. Counterpart here, maybe. By the pound. It didn't cost anything really. Okay, so that one's like that. Both of those are like that. Anyway, I'm gonna go that. I'm gonna do all this by hand. This one here I can use the impact. Now, pretty much flush in there, and that basically tightens this side up. Alright. Too freaking carried away. That one out. Standing up there high enough so I can put the spare tire on here. Beautiful. Pulls right around so it's square, tight on that. Oh, nuts! I've got a washer. I'll put me a washer right here. I got one more nut. We'll tighten that right down on top of it. Being a spare tire to get you home. Just tighten that down. The tire's not ever going to go anywhere until I need it. And we're all set. Alright, sweet. Now I'll be able to get up here and walk right out. Push the boat out as I'm going. Sweet. And we got it so I can, again, be able to get up here. I can walk right out I can push the boat out, or I can walk out on it and come back. Because it's kind of hard. It was kind of hard balancing myself on freaking 4 inches wide walking out there, especially when my feet are wet. Slid off of that once. Wasn't going to do it again. What I've been doing for the past hour is making a runway on this 4-inch wide tongue. So now I can walk right on out to the middle of the trailer and guide the Elizabeth out into the water, or turn around and bring it back in, instead of trying to balance myself on that 4 inches. So I contoured that to it. I cut it, and then I put 2 self-tap screws in here, and then I put 2 on that one there. Nice thing about that one is your angle iron is right here, so you're just putting it on you're just sitting it on the shelf, making a shelf out of it. This, you've got a 4-inch wide section under here already. So all I did was line it up, and it won't go back. Can't slide back and forth anyway because I got it contoured inside the center curve. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some self taps in it, so I got some footing, so I don't slide off the plywood. And that'll take care of. That's going to take care of that. And we're going to go ahead and get on to getting the box set up here, because this is holding me up. It's poured all day, so I wasn't going to get out and do any searching in that anyway. So that's where I'm at. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Searching For.